Hey guys, my name is Kunle, the Wedding Explorer, and today I'm sharing my amazing experience teaching at the NYSC camp. Let's dive right in. So guys, welcome back. So for those of you that are not familiar with the NYSC, it stands for National Youth Service Corps and is a mandatory program for Nigerian graduates, and it's a time for service learning and growth. And it was a privilege for me to give back to this community, gathering all my skills and experience I've learned over the last 10 years. And it's a way of me giving back and teaching photography and videography to the core members. So why videography? I believe that storytelling through visual media is incredibly powerful, and I wanted to empower these young creatives to capture and share their own stories. During the workshop we conducted for the core members, we looked at the basics of videography. We explored the options of shooting with natural light. We also explored the options of camera movement and still shot. We also looked at framing, and lastly I had to bring in a drone pilot. The core members flew a drone on set, and one of the things that stood out for me in this camp period was the time that I grouped everybody into projects where I give them assignment to get like bureaus of their camp activities, and I was so stunned with the level of creativity that these core members had to offer. And also another thing that stood out for me the most was we actually started with about 20 to 30 core members, and before the end of the camp period the class grew up to like 100 and something people, and that was like very, very huge for me. I mean, it was great to see. I'm going to be showing you the videos of what they created at the end of this video, so if you're interested in that, hang in there. Trust me guys, it's going to actually blow your mind. Seeing the core members grow and develop their skill was incredibly rewarding. They went from beginners to confident videographer in just a few days. Overall, teaching videography at NYSC camp was a quite fulfilling one and made me to realize the importance of storytelling, and I'm super grateful to be a part of their experience. This is what we created.
Hi guys, my name is Abigail, and with me here is Yusuf. We're here to talk about our experiences here on camp. What were you expecting camp to be like? Really? Well, what I expected was something really tough, something really strict. But so far it has been quite alright. So I'm going to ask few people about their experiences versus their expectations here on camp. Stay tuned, guys! Hi guys, we're back again. I think that we should give it that we're going to come back with more people to interview, and right now we have gotten a really fine and gentle young lady to give us her experience and her expectation on NYSC.
My name is Imani.
Oh my god, hi Imani, nice to meet you. My name is Abigail.
Nice to meet you. All the things I learned about camp were a little bit exaggerated. I mean,
Can you give us an example?
okay, I thought we would be inside classes and the classes would be extremely boring.
Oh my god,
They are not really that boring.
that's right.
So how is the experience the camp so far?
But when we look at
I can imagine that the way your expectations before you come to yes.
I didn't really have like that much of expectation to like appeal my okay, this is what I'm expecting though. I was not expecting it to be like looking up by like 3 o'clock to say I'm going out to a party.
So there'll be parade and everything. How was it?
Okay, just normal.
Normal. Good for me, meeting people, social nights, a lot of people with gatherings. Everything so amazing.
Very nice. Let me tell you about mine. I climbed the Indian bridge. When my leg touched the nut, I was like, Jesus, let me not fall. Jesus, let me not fall. So guess what? I didn't fall. I didn't.
Exactly. When I came, I thought it was actually this way a lot harder than it currently is. So the main challenge is waking up by 2 because why am I awake by 2?
You know, people are making money, you are sleeping.
How's the experience been so far?
Well, not bad. The thing is that before I came for the NYSC, I made a lot of inquiries because many of my friends had already gone through NYSC. They were scaring me. They were like, NYSC, you will learn, you will be stressed, very intense. I don't feel like anything, the activities, waking up early, everything, they were just, it means that they were putting fear in me. I was like, you know, as a lady that we are, there's nothing like overpacking. There's nothing like overpacking. Like I can't love that 2 big boxes. There's nothing like overpacking as a girl that we are, please. Yeah.
My expectations of coming to camp were very like when I got here, when I joined the Videography team, it was really nice. Good. Because everybody was happy, man. Because everybody was really nice and they were like put together.
This guy loves women. You understand? He loves women. I keep advising you. Stop tapping me. Well, I will not forget it. Definitely, I will not.
Because I hate the water. I hate waking up by 2:30 in the morning. I won't forget the fact, within 2 days, I mistakenly went to join kitchen. That was the worst day of my life. I cleaned and scrubbed that kitchen floor.
Well, so far, this is day 16 and it has been a blast. Apart from the whole waking up 2 a.m. and the trumpets traumatizing my life, apart from that, it's been nice. I think it can be fun for me because like, I've engaged in a lot of things from my platoon. I engaged in drama, dance, and football. Yeah, and I took third place in the football. I coached the team, so it has just been a fun experience. And
The things I will forget in camp are parade, morning drills, and meeting people. The things I'll never forget about camp, which is the parade and the awesome friends that I made here. She just said, look at what to say. The food was just there, not bad. So I'll not forget the food.
So who's talking first? No, you can't open together.
I'm going to miss the whole experience generally. I'm going to miss my friends that I made in camp. I'm going to miss the drills, the manual war, the parades.
I'm not going to miss it, but I remember the whole waking up early, going to the parade ground, and the whole experience with the soldiers, the whole aerobic exercise.
Yeah. So we are in NYSC camp at Videography, and it was a nice experience here. So loving, but the most annoying part was always waking us up around 3 o'clock. This Friday, like you got like 10K a day. The manual drill.
waking up 4:30 a.m.
It was overwhelming.
Amazing.
You can say it at the same time, right? I say what you want to say. The parade. We made a lot of friends here. Like we have Sadiq, Safwan, Bashir, Nana, and Tolu. Yeah, lovers. Yeah, our roommates. Yeah, yes, they are very friendly. Yeah, and nice actually. I'll never forget that. Yes, we can never forget it actually. Yes, so it was a nice experience, and we are glad that we are here.
If you like this video and you want to hear more about my experiences, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Drop your comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. And bye for now, and see you in the next one.